I can't wait around forever, I got moves.
What's up guys, it's Cody. So today I'm going to be finished building some of the Prusa Mk2s. I probably won't get through all of it, but we'll get us through the next step. Okay, so I've finished tightening the screws into this piece. Now, trim the zip tie off right here. So next we're going to be doing the cable management down here and adjusting the Z-axis, and maybe I'll get a few more parts done today. So I've taken the Z-axis off the X-axis frame, and I've got 4 zip ties that I put through the bottom hose. Okay, so I went ahead and zip tied them all in place. I got these running over here, and then this last one you gotta put the left Z-axis motor in with the right Z-axis motor. So next I'm gonna cut the excess off and then assemble it back to the Y-axis. Okay, so now I've attached the Z, X, and Y-axis all back together again. So now I'm going to tighten these nuts and washers back into place. Okay, so now that I got this tightened in place, I'm going to have to go back and rewind it, make sure it's right over across. So I'm going to save back to do Ruchir this week. So now I'm going to start working on the extruder assembly and the LCD assembly. I'll set this piece off to the side and I'll get the other parts laid out. Okay, so here are the extruder parts laid out. Next we'll get the M3 nut and screw into some of these parts. Okay, so the next step was kind of miswritten. It's like a tip. So you can get a nut, put on the end of this, and push it down and screw it into place. So the instructions are kind of confusing in this next step. You got these 2 screw nuts from the spare bag. And then we'll get these 2 nuts and place them for these 2 on the carriage piece. I'm not going to screw the other 2 in all the way because they're like rocking nuts. So now I'm placing these screw nuts into these holes right here. And then I'm going to place these into this hole right here. Okay, so I found the other 2 screw nuts, so it's in the E-axis bag. I might have mispriced that one. So I'll put these pieces in, and then we'll get the nozzle piece for the extruder out of the bag. Okay, so this is how we're going for the nozzle assembly. So I got this piece right here. I'm going to thread it in like this. And I'll show you guys when I have it done. Okay, so the extruder nozzle is in place now. Gotta have to be careful with this app because it got a lot of loose screws that's not fixed yet. Okay, so I got the motor cover in place, the extruder cover in place, and I got some of these 2 screws started in it. So I'm gonna set these pieces aside, and I'll get these next week. I'm gonna get the LCD assembly started. Okay, so I took the LCD plastic pieces out of the bag and the display piece, and I connected these 2 pieces on the back. So the next step is going to be adjust this piece and snap onto the rest of this. Okay, so the next step was to press the panel with the supports into the face assembly as deep as possible. So when you do it, you can hear a click. Next I'm going to press the knob piece onto here. So now it's like this. Okay, so that's going to be all I'm going to be assembling for it today. It may seem like I'm skipping around some, but I'm trying to get all the bigger pieces out of the box. So I have more room to work with some of the small screws and pieces like that. So I'll probably be 2 videos at least of assembling this. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video first, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.